Hi mga higala, this is Maestra Judy. Let's have another short Bisaya-Cebuano lesson. First person point of view. Nagkutaw ko og kape. Nagkutaw ko og kape. Two meanings for this sentence. First one is I'm making coffee. The second one is I'm stirring the coffee. So depending on the context of your conversation. Again, nagkutaw ko og kape. Next one, third person point of view. Nagkutaw siya og kape. He or she is making coffee. Another meaning, he or she is stirring the coffee. Our verb here is nagkutaw. It is in the present tense. This could also mean in the past tense, depending on the context. The root word of this verb is kutaw. Kutaw means stir. Kutaw means stir. If you use this in a sentence, it could mean that you are making something. Like in this case, you are making coffee. Visit me on my website, Cebuano101.com if you want to learn more. See you next time. Bye.